we're picking tomato now, guys. Look at that. There's a lot of red tomato. What are we gonna do on this tomato? Oh no, they are all red now. Whoop! It's right there too. Ala, ang dami. Hinog na siya lahat.
Here.
Wow, that looks so good. Put it there, baby.
Okay.
Alang lalaki. Oh no. Ala, may kumain na oh. Kinain ang langgam. Wala, laki. Ibigay na lang natin yan sa langgam. Ito pa may malaki. Ang dami. Ang dami ng hinog. Yan pa sa ilalim. Dami.
And another one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are all red now. Wow. Pati yung maliliit. Ang dami din. There's so many tomatoes, Sophie. Yan pa, oh. Ang laki, oh. Laki. Ang laking ganda nito, oh. Where else? Right here. Wala, ang dami. Yan guys, ang dami, oh. Puro hinog. Sophie, got so many tomatoes. You wanna pick that one?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's one.
That's a lot of tomato. Maybe we can make some sauce, pasta sauce. Oh, sorry. I get the green one. Can you put it on the bag? Huh? Ala, ang sitaw. Oh, nagpa na siya. Nagulang na. Kalimutan kong kunin. Saan pa? See, mga bell pepper. Kawawa naman sila, medyo sad kasi hindi umulan. Ang dami ng sili, oh. Banala, hinog na yung banana pepper. Pahinugin natin, binhiin. Ang dami mga talong, oh.